Inflation tax. We have seen how the RBI has taken a position over the last couple of years of monetary easing, in a way, quantitative easing, we can say, and that is the idea is to push growth. But at times we see that is happening at the cost of higher and higher inflation. Now we all know the inflation targeting of 4% median with varying 2 to 6% is something which is mandated for the RBI to stick with. However, that target of the median 4% is not being met, and it is going beyond that, beyond 6% in fact, as the retail inflation, and that is leading to inflation tax, which is in a way people, the general people, are losing their purchasing power capacity with the same amount of money what was with them earlier. And the government is getting more and more dividends from the RBI, the dividend income, and in a way, the government is accumulating more money to spend. So the people are losing money, and the government is gaining money, and the government is definitely spending for the need to boost the economy. The Keynesian philosophy stays, but not too much at the cost of inflation. That needs to be kept in mind. However, that is happening, and inflation targeting needs to be taken seriously. We cannot allow the inflation to move beyond the rate of growth or the kind of economy being ready to grow at the rate. So it is important that we realize that, or the RBI understands that it's not the right way to 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 take power from the hand of people in a way by devaluing, effective devaluing of the money. So it needs to be taken care of, and we need to be sensitive of inflation targeting and do not masquerade tax in the form of inflation. Thank you.